Are you? Will you not go and look for bandits? You should be going to look for bandits. Is someone a bandit? What are you doing in Federal Court? What are you doing here? Are you not aware that our children are missing? Are you not aware that insecurity is rising? Are you not aware that 50 was kidnapping from Naija? Are you aware or you are not aware? To the Federal Court, you see them, security all over the place, up to 200. You are wondering, are they that jobless, that they will not go after the actual culprits, the actual bandits? What are they doing here? What are they coming to? Look at police, come and see them. I'm not scared of them. Look at police. Yes, we are battling insecurity. You just come here and you wonder, misplaced priority. Okay, now, Sowore said that Tinubu is a criminal. Tinubu should go to court now. You are in court already. Why are you issuing a bench warrant? Because you claim he did not come for a day. You know he has always been coming. I'm not in favor of Sowore, but the truth has to be said. You are restricting his fundamental human rights. It's the truth. Today is Sowore, tomorrow it will be another person. But now what is busting my head is the amount of security. It's disheartening. We have children in the bush. We have children in the bush. DSS should be ashamed. At this point in time, they're acting like they know what's going on in the country. DSS, we should shame them. Not because we don't love them, but to remind them their main job. There is no reason why DSS is crowding this place. There's no reason why we have over 500 policemen here when we are battling insecurity. I be Sowore na bandits. No, now. If anybody calls Tinubu a criminal, the person, you take the person to court. And besides, his past records is questionable. He has drug case in America. He has fraud case. He has multiple cases. Too many cases. His certificate forgery and the rest. He not reach a person to court person. I don't want to laugh. I'm just really heartbroken that at this point in time, this is what we are focusing on as a country. Please, Nigerians, let's speak up. Today is Sowore, tomorrow it will be you. The last time they arrested my friend, I got to know that the DSS collected my name, collected my picture, collected my number. They're there, I'm saying it to their face. What are you using it for? Am I a bandit? I'm just saying end bad governance. Why are they more interested in dissenting voices? Why are they more interested in people who don't agree with the government? More voices will arise. Because when you take one, we bet 100. Please, free Sowore now and tackle insecurity. Take a look around. There are so many. And you wonder, is this the problem of Nigeria right now?